It is Friday night. We're here in the eBay room, and we decided, usually we do a live show on Friday night, and this Friday we decided not to. We decided to take a little break from the live stuff. It's been like kind of a crazy week. It's been nuts, but we decided to kind of hang out, eat dinner, watch TV, do our own thing, and then right now obviously we're in here pulling orders and packing for tomorrow. But yeah. Anyway,
we had some construction at the house a little bit. So
yeah.
All the animals had to get moved, and then we had to bring them all back. And then I had to eat dinner really early.
It's actually, yeah, it's funny. We had, not funny, but we had some water damage at our house. Like one of the bathrooms upstairs, the pipes are leaking. There is water damage in the ceiling of the downstairs bathroom.
You should shovel.
And there's, I could show you guys. They came today and like did some patchwork. They're like far from done. So they're fixing that, and hopefully they fixed the actual leak. I mean, we haven't even talked to them. It's been like a really annoying process. But so we've been dealing with that. Been dealing with our day jobs.
And then
tonight, what?
And then my mother decided all my animals were outside animals. They are not outside animals.
Yeah, so we brought all the animals, all our animals. Come here. Hey.
He's like, did you say animal?
Come here, buddy. You gotta go out here. We brought all our animals to Pam's mom's house while they were here working on the house here today. Because we weren't home, but they were here working on the house, which is like kind of weird to think about. But strangers were in our house when we weren't here. So the animals, we didn't want the animals to be here while that was going on. So we brought them to Pam's mom's house. And she like let all the animals outside while we weren't there. It was
pulled up
a nightmare.
there and
anyway, it's been crazy.
Stressful.
It's been crazy. Let's get to pulling orders. First thing we sold was actually to a viewer, Anthony over at Pittsburgh. If you guys don't know Anthony at Pittsburgh, he has a YouTube channel
with Ashley,
with his wife. Yeah, go check him out if you're interested. But Anthony has been a subscriber of ours for probably like darn near the beginning of our channel. Like he's probably been at least within the first 200 subscribers. He's always been super nice and super supportive of our channel, and we really appreciate it. So Anthony, thank you for the business. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy your little game here. Put that there. Pam will pack that up for you.
Yeah, I will. For you, Anthony, and you, Ashley, I will.
The next thing that sold was... we sold a blank Sony video camcorder tape, I believe it was. Yeah, it should be in one of these bins here. This is our blank media bin. And one of these tapes sold. I think it's, yep, it's one of these right here. One of these little tapes right here. We got $8.99 plus shipping for this thing. Awesome. Love selling blank media. There's that. First class.
Only the one? Tape?
Yep, just the one, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Yep, just the one. $8.99 plus shipping. That's it. And then the next thing we sold was we sold 2 Xbox 360 controllers. And I can't remember where we had these. I think, yeah, here they are. There's one right here. 2 Xbox 360 controllers. We got, where did we get these? Do you remember even where we got these?
I don't remember.
There's one.
A while ago. The other one's gray and black.
Yeah. The other one's right here too.
Look at that.
In this bin here. There it is. We sold these 2 Xbox 360 controllers. This one right here is a newer model. It's in a little better condition. They're both used. I usually judge condition on these by the wear on the joysticks. And I mean, this one's still, it's definitely been used a little bit, but it's in good overall shape. And then this one, an older model, it's definitely been used. I mean, you look at these controllers, they're pretty, or these little joysticks, they're pretty worn. But yeah, overall solid. You know, they work well and everything. So those are going to be going out. We got $19.99 plus shipping for those 2 things right there. So that was good. We found those at a garage sale. I can't even remember where we found them. But we couldn't have had much into them anyway, so I'm sure that was a great deal. And then next, let's check my phone here. Quite a few things going out. Next, we sold a GameCube game we actually picked this GameCube game up. Whoa, that was weird. Some games just fell off the shelf by themselves. We actually picked this GameCube game up this past weekend at a garage sale. And everything at the garage sale we paid for was $7 total. So, and we're already in profit because we sold, if you guys have been watching our videos, we sold a GameCube player disc for Game Boy for $64.99. So that put us instantly in profit for that deal. And this game was part of that deal as well. Let me see if I can find it here. It's a GameCube game. GameCube. There it is right here. Here it is. GameCube. GameCube Soul Excalibur 2. We ended up getting $12.99 plus shipping for this game. So pretty decent. Not too bad. Right? Not too bad.
Yeah.
GameCube stuff, I think, is really on the rise as far as reselling goes. So if you see anything GameCube, obviously not everything, not every game is like worth $1 million, but a lot of games are worth good money, and a lot of GameCube gear, like consoles, GameCube consoles, controllers, and accessories and stuff like that. The actual GameCube model, like not like a third-party manufacturer or anything like that, but like the actual GameCube stuff, it's really doing well, and it's starting to really gain value as far as reselling goes. So definitely keep a lookout for GameCube stuff. If you can get it cheap, definitely pick it up. Next, we sold another garage sale find from this past weekend, actually. And there's that right there. I can't believe this hasn't sold yet. This Hot Wheels set sealed in the package. Really cool. The thing's huge. That thing is huge. I'm surprised that hasn't sold yet. Yeah, it's got quite a few watchers on our channel, or on our eBay store. But so this right here, this sold, this cappuccino maker, coffee maker thingy. We picked this up at a garage sale this past weekend. We've only had it a week, and we picked it up for $5, I believe. $5 for this thing.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I think it
was something you found, not me.
Yeah, I think it was $5, and we ended up getting, was it 20? I think it was $20 plus shipping for this.
Maybe you should put that down before you get the dropsies.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Sure, you're gonna joke about it, and then when you really drop it, you're gonna say bad words and have to edit it out.
No, but yeah, $20 plus shipping on this. So yeah, not crazy profits. Not bad for the time that we have owned it. And it was super easy to list too, because it's brand new. Just scan the barcode, find a similar listing, and just boop, snap some pictures, and it was up. So not bad. Not bad. And then finally, the last thing that sold was, I'm going to move a couple things here. I'm going to move this Nerf gun. Got that listed. All this stuff's listed in inventory. And then this cool little troll. So we sold all kinds of stuff here. Move all this out. So we sold actually this to a viewer, again, a repeat buyer. You guys have seen, probably we've made a couple bulk, maybe only one or two, video game sales here on the channel, and they've both so far gone to Jennifer. She's been buying a lot of media and video games in bulk, which is awesome. And she bought 30 PS2 games from us this morning. And yeah, that was awesome. 30 PS2 games. So Jennifer, thank you so much for the business once again. We really, really appreciate it. And
thank you for the bookshelf space.
Yeah, thank you for the bookshelf space. We have a lot of space now clearing out after selling all these. But 30 games, and they're going out to Jennifer. And we sold them for $30. Not 30. $70 plus shipping. And wow, that is just an awesome sale. I'm so glad to get all these out of here. That's great. So Jennifer, thank you so much for your business and your support of the channel and also our eBay business. That's great. So you did really well here. And I hope you I hope you enjoy them and I hope you do well on them. How's it going, guys? We're here in the eBay room. It is, what's it, Monday night? So like...
It's Monday.
It's Monday, right? Oh, it's only Monday. Oh no. Sales have been pretty slow lately. They've been very slow for whatever reason. Maybe the summer slowdown's really hitting us or something. Sales have been slow. We did make a couple sales yesterday that we didn't ship out yet and that we need to ship out right now for tomorrow. So I'm gonna pull those real quick. First of all, we sold one of these puzzles here. One of these 3D puzzles. They're kind of cool. They're like a globe. You can see right there. That's actually what they look like. They're like a globe. They have their own little stand. And they're really neat. And we got these. Let me move these aside here. I'm working on listing some stuff right now. But we got these actually for free from a friend, Wendy. Wendy, hi. If you're watching this video.
Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy. Thank you. We still have quite a bit of stuff that you gave us for free. She is a eBay and Amazon seller, and she had some inventory that she just didn't want to deal with that she just gave to us for free, which was super nice of her. And those little puzzles there are something that she gave us for free. She also made us that.
Hanger.
That cool hanger there that is super, super handy that we've used many times already. But so she gave us those. She gave us these games here for free, and we've been selling through them pretty well. And I think we still have like 3 or 4 left. I can't remember. But anyway, these puzzles here. We sold this today for. Actually, I think we sold it last night. We sold it for $19.99 plus shipping. So great score there. For free, can't beat it. And then the second thing that sold, and this was like an expected sale because it was an auction. And not a really great auction, to say the least. Really bad. I was hoping that it was going to do better than it did. It just didn't do well. It really did not do well. This was a scrapbooking lot and stamp lot. Whoever bought this, by the way, I don't know if it was a viewer or if it was just a random eBay buyer, but whoever bought this got an extremely good deal. We bought this at a garage sale for $5. This whole box of stuff. It has all kinds of stamps, has all kinds of just different trinkets, and like, you know, it's got like the scrapbooking scissors and just all kinds of stuff in here. I just laid it out all on the table and ran an auction to see what I could get for it. And it did get one bid. It got one bid. I started the auction out at, what was it, like $4.99 plus shipping, and I got a bid for that, and that's what it sold for. So not a great auction, but whoever got this got an extremely good deal. So if this was a viewer, thank you for your purchase, and I hope you enjoy it because you really made out well on this. We spent $5 on all this stuff at a garage sale, and that's what we got in return, plus shipping. So when all is said and done, we're probably going to lose on the deal, but it is what it is. I like to experiment with stuff like that sometimes. What?
We still win because we have fun.
That's right. We still win because we had fun. That's right. That's a good point. It's a great point. Plus, whoever is getting that lot of scrapbooking stuff got an awesome deal. So good for them. Good for them.
And that guy was pretty cool.
The guy we bought it from was pretty cool.
The wife was there, but the guy was like so behind the scenes until like we mentioned something about him being quiet, and then he's like, "Do you want to buy this?"
Yep.
I think you got trained, so you still have to sit up from there.
But anyway, so we are working on some listing here tonight and still trying to get ahead. Our death pile, it's getting down because lately garage sales haven't been like super crazy, so we haven't been sourcing like huge amounts of stuff, which is great. So it's allowing us to catch up here. I know it's a really slow process. We've been saying this for a while. Oh, we're catching up. We're catching up on our death pile. But guys, like, we are super, super busy. Like we do this part-time. We resell part-time. We do YouTube part-time as well. And we have our full-time jobs. So, like, literally, we get home from work, we eat dinner, we come in here, we do as much work as we possibly can. And it's a battle, but we're gaining on it. We still have all this stuff to list, and we're working on it right now. And right now, what am I listing? Let me show you guys. Right now, I'm working. Let me move my phone here. It's charging. Working on listing these cool cigar boxes, and then I still have this grenade. We picked this grenade up at a yard sale. Probably like, oh man, it's probably been at least a month, over a month now. That's how behind we are. We really don't even have that much stuff. Like, we're trying our best to get ahead and get all this stuff listed, but this is a grenade. It's a practice grenade, so it's okay to sell on eBay. It's a practice one. It's a replica. I'll call it a like practice replica. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But it's not dangerous or anything, and it's okay to sell on eBay. These ones at least. The holes drilled in the bottom. There's no way that this could possibly be made into an actual weapon. So I'm gonna list that.
Don't test them.
Yeah, don't test the grenade.
No, I meant don't give them any ideas. Don't test them.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna say, definitely not tested. No, but so there's that. Then we've got this card here, and it's not worth too much. I'll list it anyway. This 24 karat Emmett Smith card. So that's what I'm working on right now, and have some other stuff here that I'm working on as well. Stuff that we picked up this weekend, like that little Chia Pet Groot, and yeah, just trying to catch up on stuff. But anyway, I think that should do it for this video. I think, and anything else going on? Not sure. Is there anything else going on?
I don't think
that's
so.
pretty much it right now. We're just kind of trying to get ahead on listings. And yeah, there's some auction news coming. I'm going to explain to you guys later this week. There's a little issue we had with our eBay account in an auction that we ran. So stick around for that. That's still kind of in process right now. But once that all gets resolved, I'm gonna talk about it here on the channel, tell you guys what happened. But anyway, other than that, yeah, just I'm gonna get to work here. We're going to get packing up the things that sold, and we're going to continue to list. Right? Right. Okay. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
No.
What?
They got to keep dreaming, and maybe their husbands will get to work, too.
Okay. I'm going.
I'm waiting.
Okay, bye.